Oh man, should someone kill me? I, I don't even have energy to even rent. First half, man, should 4 goals, 4, and this is Tottenham without even Bale, without Bale. So you can imagine what's going to happen once Bale comes. 4, and this is being recorded after while the first half is being played. So I'm guessing this should be Bayern versus Barcelona repeat. This is what's going to happen day in, day out. Ed Woodward, you just take a sip of your water, nothing else. What to say? What to even fucking say? All that said has been said. This type of performances are going to keep coming. There is no way around it. Every day this is going to happen. Nothing else. I have zero words. There's no new signings. The players are fed up. The board is fed up. The CEO is also fed up. Manager looks hopeless. Everything gone case. Zero. This time, I think if we play like this, we are going to get relegated also. It's not off the books. It's going to happen. And this is the funny thing is we drew RB Leipzig and PSG and some other Turkish team, I suppose, in UCL. If we are getting raped 4-1 to Tottenham, imagine what's going to happen against PSG. Last season, Champions League finalist. Neymar is going to roll all over us. Mbappe is going to run wild, fuck us in the ass. That is it. And that Martial red card. What to say? I don't think it was a red card. But that's referee's decision. There's nothing I can do to dispute it. Even though I think it was wrong, it's still been given. And the players have to adapt to it. But on top of that, we have conceded 2 more goals. In the span of what? Minutes. Not even the second half. Minutes. Worst performance, worst. When it should be us who is hammering them, they are hammering us. In both S and Dick. That is it. This club is hopeless. I'm fed up of even wearing this jersey. What this jersey means? It's a piece of cloth right now. Nothing. You can't even... I don't even have words. I'm literally laughing watching us play. It's like watching little babies play on the playground. That is it. Someone please end this torture. Is it going to end anytime soon? No, I don't think so. For another 10 years, I suppose, we are not going to win anything. By that time, I feel even then, after 10 years also, people are not going to sell Maguire. Because don't get me started on him. And I thought today's lineup, Eric Bailly is going to do something, but first 5-10 minutes he showed his jalwa. After that, what? Became the Lindelof light. It's hopeless. I'm not even going to do another video on the second half because might be even the final score, or it may be more than this. The response is going to be the same. We are not winning or even drawing this game. Bye. When the match started, 2 minutes in, we got a penalty. I felt good. At least. Because whenever we get a lead, we are obviously going to squander it away. So this time I thought at least, okay, we have a chance. Something good we did. And then we took 4 fucking goals. What even happened? Did the players go somewhere? Vacation? Mason Greenwood, you called your stripper friends? Where is everyone? Did you all sleep? I know we got a red card, but come on, guys. I can't even say anything. This is a shit show. I'm not even watching the second half. Fucking idiots, that is it. I think I figured out why Maguire is so shit. I think every night Johnny Sin's booth comes on him, every night before the match. So every night before the game he has sex. But yesterday that booth got extra chavan brush ki shakti, and he got carried away. 10-15 times he must have done gapa gup. Okay? And today that's why he can't run. An 80-year-old grandfather also will run faster than him. Have you seen how slow and how misplaced his passes are? Not one pass he can do properly. Last game he won us that header. He thinks he is big Ronaldinho. One header he did. That too, because of VR we won. If VR wasn't there, that game would have been a draw. So that was luck, purely luck. This game, what to say also. Another thing that I noticed is, I think Ole Gunnar Solskjaer is doing this on purpose. He ordered his players to lose. Spectacular fashion. This is to get Ed Woodward to sign more players and go fuck himself. Or get fired. I'm happy with either. Ole got mind. Ole got brains. First half just got over. Second half incoming. I want another 2-3 more goals. I don't care if we lose in spectacular fashion. I am ready to tolerate the embarrassment. I'm ready to feel what Barcelona fans felt. I'm ready for it. As long as Ed Woodward gets fired and there are some changes in the board. Because this is going to keep on happening. Let us lose. This is a good match for them to understand that everything needs fixing. This club is in shambles. This is hopeless. Seriously. I want us to lose. Seriously, by spectacular fashion. 6-1, 7-1, I want us to lose. Otherwise, nothing is going to change. If we manage to somehow draw, praise God. If we lose, again praise God. Because I got my wish. All I can say is congrats to whoever put Heung-min Son and Harry Kane in their fantasy Premier League. Congrats guys. You are going to be topping game week. What is this, 4 now? I don't know. I've lost track. Ever since we nearly lost to Brighton as well, I've lost track. I'm done with this season apparently.